to you as a surprise? Are you not aware of our financial difficulties in this house?
So what? So you cannot take our only daughter back to school? Is that what you are telling me?
Yes. If money is scarce, it means educating Juliana will be impossible. This one.
What? If you are. What? It's a lie. If she didn't go back to school again, how do you want her future to become?
Listen, going to school is not the only way of securing a better future. So what has a man catch on? She can find something else to do. So.
Something like what? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Where fathers like you are running haka-skata, they found where they will put their children back to school. You are here, parabolating. You want to send your own to the streets.
You are talking to me like this?
Yes.
You are talking to me like this?
Yes.
Have you forgotten that all these are not equal? Huh? I don't have it. It's not a crime. Thank God I was able to send her to secondary school. My parents could not send me to secondary school. Yes, I made my life and even married you.
Married me? Like this? Indeed. I picked up. I want to see where I want here. I want to can't where I want here. Anyway, I know you are joking, so I don't have time to wait for you. Rubbish.
Obaku, come back here. Come back.
Nobody have even called me.
Look at the apple. I've been going up and down and I'm tired. Apples are getting fanatic. And then you sit down here.
Papa, you're welcome.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Where is your mother?
She said she's going to see Auntie Anna.
Did she prepare any food?
Yes, I'll bring it for you.
Oh, not yet, not yet.
Are you sure?
Not yet. So, how's your business?
Papa, as you can see, business is good today. You know, I made enough sales today. But Papa, You know, it's not fair. Selling apples among moving vehicle, it's like going to war in Lebanon. How I wish I can go back to school and further my education.
My daughter, my heart is heavy as yours. How I wish I had a means to educate you further. As you know, your father here is an abundant retired tax collector. I can't even cater for my small family. I'm praying to God that one day things will change. Don't worry, okay? Things will change.
Papa, when? Every day you say time. Papa, you have to do it. I'm a woman, oh. And a woman needs to be at school.
Daughter, time will tell. Time will tell. Don't worry, okay? I'm inside. So if you finish, get my food.
How much?
2,000 cedis, sir.
Give me 3.
3, okay.
No, make it 5.
5. Sir, did you say 5 or? Sir, I don't have change. I'll go and look for change. 1 minute.
Give me change.
Oh, thank you, sir. Then let me add the rest of the apple.
That's alright.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Why are you standing like this?
I'm tired though. Business is not good today.
I thought you were waiting for the
Old man. If he comes, why not? But I'm not waiting for him. I'm just...
Okay, I'm just going down there. If I'll get someone.
Okay, bye-bye. How many months ago?
What is your name?
Julianne, sir.
Juliana. Charlie. What are you doing in the streets among those hawkers?
Sir, it's not my intention to be on the street to sell apples. My parents could not help me further my education, so I have to be on the street selling apple.
I see. So you're exchanging education for trading, yeah? Now, Juliana, how about you and I getting to know each other better?
Sir, what do you mean by that?
How about you getting closer, getting to know me better? In other words, I want you to marry me.
Hey, sir. But look at your finger. You are married already, and it's against my religion to be a second wife. I'm sorry, sir.
And what is your religion?
I'm Christian.
Christian?
Yeah.
I guess Christians read the Bible, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
And you mean you can find one instance in the Bible where people God worked with married more than one woman?
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. So you know what's going to happen. Why don't you go home, turn the whole thing round in your mind, and then when next we meet, we see where all this is going to take us.
So I'll think about it.
Right. Joe.
Come on, sir.
Now you take this.
No, sir.
There's 5
no,
million.
I've never seen this man. No, sir. I'm sorry. I'm not taking it.
You take it.
Are you sure?
Take it. It's all right. You get out. Get out. Yeah. Now I want you to stay away from the streets. Keep this money. All right? When you have arrived at your decision, give me a call.
Okay, sir.
All right?
Thank you very much for the money.
All the best.
Thank you.
This is 10 Ghana cedi. Yes, ma'am. Before, it could have been 100,000 cedis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is 500 Ghana cedi. Yes. Which is 5 million cedis before. Yes, ma'am. This is strange. You mean the man just give you 5 million cedis flat just because you are beautiful? Yes, ma'am. Where they are, Mama Samu? Hey, ma, why would I lie to you? Everything I'm telling you here is the truth. Look, he even gave me his complimentary card. Yeah.
And even look, ma, the card tells me that this man is a multi-millionaire. And he owns a company, import and export company.
And the man said he will send you back to school.
Yes, ma'am. But only on one condition.
Like what?
I have to be his wife.
So, what have you decided?
Ma, I need to sleep over this. Why?
Let's pray over this thing. Maybe God has sent an angel to us. Eh? Please.
Thank you very much.
Sir, you're welcome to our home.
As you must have been aware, I am Nana Bachman, an entrepreneur of international standing. The long and short of the whole thing is that I'm so much in love with your daughter that I should like her to be my wife.
I see. My daughter told me this thing before. But I only take it as one of the biggest jokes. Now that you are here, it makes the whole thing serious. Anyway, you are welcome once again.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. It would have been good if you were not married. And it's not bad either. As you were married before. My only concern is how safe my daughter will be in this society. You and I know how our people hate polygamy.
Yes, I understand where you're coming from and your fear about the whole thing.
Yes.
But I should like to assure you that I am an influential man in this country and beyond. To elaborate, you see, commercial banks take care of my weekend bills. And when I travel outside Ghana, it's the Bank of Ghana that takes care of my bills as well. When I go on world tour, that's a job for the World Bank to see to it that I don't need anything. What am I trying to say? It is said that you don't wash your hands with sputum when you have a lot of water around. So your daughter is not going to lack anything. Now, concerning the safety of your daughter as my wife, that one is conclusive. No big deal at all about it. Now, your fear about me being already married. We've been married for a long time now, and the fact that the marriage is intact means that I know how to hold the reins, and I know which strings to pull, should any storm arise at all. Now, your daughter is not going to live under the same roof as my wife, so there will be fears, but she's going to live in her own mansion apart.
It's okay. But as you can see, my husband is not at home. So you give me a small time. When my husband comes, I will discuss it with him, with my daughter. Whatever comes, I'll let you.
That's all right by me.
Okay.
I'll certainly wait. Because of this thing called love, biblical Jacob was willing to serve 14 years for one woman to wait. So why not? I'm prepared to wait till all our heads are in one pot. So no problem at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
You are welcome.
Yes, I think we should be going. Joe.
Yes, sir.
That's okay.
Okay. All right, madam. That's for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's
Thank
all
you,
right.
sir.
That's
Thank you very much.
Well, we should be going on. All right, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Obaku, I'm very, very much disappointed at you. Just listen to yourself. Is this what a mother should be encouraging her daughter to? A second wife to a man old enough to be her father?
Which one are you against me? To become a second wife or to marry the man?
Shut up!
Whether you like it
I said shut up! Before I shut you up.
she must marry that man.
Shut up. Look at you. She's so beautiful, so nice. Why do you want to destroy her future by
What future that she has? On the street. I'll push her into this marriage before any motor kill her for me.
Then, whatever your reasons are, I swear, no daughter of mine will marry a man of my age. He says his wife doesn't care. Have you asked yourself why? Have you asked yourself why his wife doesn't care?
Julian is not going back to the street to walk apple. Never.
Then, let her decide. I think she's old and sensible enough to know what is good for her. Julian! Julie!
Yes, Papa.
Come here.
Yes, Papa.
My daughter, I know you are smart enough to know good from bad, a trick from reality. You said the man is an old elderly man.
Yes, Papa.
Have you met his wife before?
No, Papa.
Then, how are you sure she will accept you?
Papa, anywhere from the street is good enough for me. And he promised me he will send me back to school.
Promise you what?
To send me back to school.
Huh?
School?
Both of you are mad. You are crazy. You are not moving an inch. You are staying in this house. Understand? And onto that leech. He thinks he has seen a poor girl to take to bed. Next time, if I set my eyes on him, I will teach him a real lesson. Come, go back to the house. If I see you coming out, you are doomed. Because of money, you are pampering this guy. Nonsense. Let that man come and meet me here in my own house. I will cut his head. If you think you have money, I will teach him a lesson. Nonsense.
Ago. Hello?
Who is it?
1 minute, Mr. Danso. Good afternoon.
Have I not warned you not to step your foot in my house? What do you want?
I'm looking for your daughter, Juliana.
Looking for my daughter?
Exactly.
Get out. I said get out!
No, let's behave as gentlemen. Man, you're not talking to any mean person, you know. You're talking to somebody who, when he travels outside Ghana, Bank of Ghana takes care of his bills.
I won't give a damn. I said get out!
Easy, Mr. Danso. What's all the fuss about?
Get out!
No,
Get out! Get out!
Hey,
Get out!
Joe, easy.
Get out!
Easy.
Get out!
You take it easy, all right?
Get out! I said get out!
Miss Ma, hold it.
Get out!
Hold it. You understand, right? This man, this gentleman will soon be my father-in-law.
Father-in-law?
So, just go ahead. You understand what I'm saying?
Father-in-law! Father-in-law! No!
Get out! You know what I'm saying? Hey, easy, Joe. I say easy. Now, we gotta thank God this is pure water, not concentrated sulfuric acid, okay? That's alright?
Get out!
No,
Get out!
easy, man.
Get out!
Easy.
Get out!
Easy.
Get out!
Easy.
Get out! Get out!
Easy.
Get out! Get out!
That's all.
Nonsense.
What is it? You want to destroy my own daughter's future. You cannot even afford to take her to school. Now that a responsible man wants to come and marry her, you want to put Sansa into a gari. Eh?
Abaku, listen. And listen well. I've said it. It is over my dead body. It is over my dead body that I will sit there, watch this girl marry that man.
That is your headache. Okay. Come rain or shine, they will get married.
Hey, Abaku, be careful the way you support this girl. Be very, very careful. Okay?
So, you don't want my daughter to look good as all those girls walking on the streets. Just look at her. Look at her! So, you are not happy to see her like this? Huh.
Listen and listen well. Not all that glitters is gold. They say good name is better than riches.
Good name, my fault!
Okay.
Now, it's gold, money, cash. Ask your friends.
Cash. Babu, bring my shirt. Now you have cash. Bring my shirt. Go and buy yours. You're wearing my shirt, you are saying cash, gold, cash, gold. And you're wearing my shirt. Bring it.
How is everything?
Good.
And where's your mom?
She's inside.
Okay. And how about your mafia father?
He's gone out.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, the other time we were talking about, the way forward, your career and all that kind of stuff. What actually do you intend doing?
I'm
You again?
Yeah.
What are you doing in my house?
I did promise that I'll be back.
Wait. Wait, I'm coming. are you coming from?
I went to see a friend.
You said what?
I said I went to see a friend.
You went to see a friend. You and your mother, because of my situation in this house, you are taking me for granted.
Papa, why would I do that to you? I will not think of doing that.
You never. I hope so. Because you have to go out and make a living. Doesn't mean you have the permission to go in and out. To do whatever you like. Huh? Obaku! Obaku!
Yes?
Ask your daughter where she's coming from.
That's why you are shouting and barking all over the place.
I said ask your daughter. I asked her to sell apple, not her body.
Ask her. She's your daughter.
I'm not selling my body.
You're not selling what?
How could you say that to me?
Juliana, be careful. Be very, very careful. Go inside. Hey, come, pass it. Go inside. Obaku, talk to your daughter. Talk to her seriously. Understand?
What about here? Oh, sorry. Sorry, yeah? It's okay. Mr. Dancer, everything will be alright, okay? Madam, we need to talk outside. Yes? Please do take your time. Has your husband fallen like this before?
Never. That's why I'm worried.
Madam, I'm afraid your husband is in a very bad condition.
What?
Yeah, he has several heart problems. Yeah.
Doctor, please. You have to help us here. That man in there is my only hope in this world.
Don't worry. Something can be done about this. But that will cost you some money.
Like how much?
We need about $18,000 to $20,000 at once before his condition gets worse.
Doctor, where do you expect us to get that kind of money? I'm only an orange seller. My daughter here is unemployed. Please. Oh God.
Stop crying.
No, my God.
Madam, there is nothing I can do about this. The cost of the surgery is a fixed thing, which is not determined by me or by my colleagues. And without the money, nothing can be done.
Oh my God.
It's okay. It's okay.
Please. My enemies.
I have to leave.
My
When the money
enemies.
is ready. Madam, are you listening to me?
Juliana, finish.
Mom, listen to what you
Ah.
Just hear me out first, okay? When you are ready, just see me in my office, okay? Take it easy.
I'm finished.
Mom, let's go inside.
I didn't have finished. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. Everything will be duly acknowledged as soon as the consignment is confirmed. Yes. All right. Bye. Julian, I have already told you that you shouldn't worry, and that everything is going to be all right. Everything is going to be all right.
Mama, but please, you have to help me get my father out of that hospital, please.
Yes. Which hospital did you say he's in?
At the Somaso Hospital.
At the Somaso Hospital. You know the name of the doctor?
Yeah, I think it's Dr. Boateng.
Dr. Boateng. Yeah. All right. Okay. Hospital. Yes. Can I talk to Dr. Boateng, please? Yes, it's very important. Doc. This is Nana Bachman, CEO, Intercontinental Conglomerates. Well, you can't complain. It's all by the grace of God. Yes. My father is on admission at your hospital. He is Mr. Oten Danso. Yes, I've been told. Now, Doc, I want you to go ahead with the operation the moment you drop this phone. Yes. Yeah, send the bills to my accounts department as usual. And do let me know of any further developments. Yes, we'll meet at the club as usual. All right. Bye then. So, are you all right now?
Yeah, but Nana, I hope he comes out of this operation successfully. I'm very worried.
Why don't we go out for lunch? And then after that, we'll see what to do.
Okay, Nana.
So, Nance, how is he doing?
He's quite well. How are you? Excuse me.
So, Mr. Danso, how are you doing?
I'm all right.
Good.
I'm fine. Nana.
Yes?
Forgive me for all the hostilities towards you.
Oh, what is that to forgive? That's all right.
I was trying to protect my daughter from irresponsible men out there.
Yeah, that's quite understandable.
And I thank you for saving my life.
Well, all thanks go to God Almighty. That's all right.
Nana, I'm not convinced that my daughter is in the hands of a responsible man.
Thank you very much.
Now you can go ahead and marry her.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Nancy. Thank you very much. Yeah. There is the best news I've heard today. And let's hope to God you recover quickly. And then whatever tradition demands, we'll see to that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So beautiful.
Yeah, that's all right. I'm sure your daughter's mind will now be put to rest. She's now a happy girl. Okay, I shouldn't tax you too long. Should be going. You like to stay or you like to go?
Oh, I'll see you off and then come back.
Right. Mr. and Mrs. Ganso and Juliana. This is in fulfillment of my promise that if you will only give your consent to my marrying your daughter Juliana, at the snap of the finger, I'll change your world around. So, these keys to this whole house means the house belongs to you.
Thank you.
Furniture, everything, kitchen, everything. So whatever you have in your house, you can give them out to charity. That's okay. So you just bring your bodies in here and everything is set. Now, I will look inside first while we go. Yes, just come on. I will. Yes. Now let's go have a look. And this is the southern side of the house. Maybe later you can take your own time and go around. And let's have a look at the other side. Now we're going to do what we call the monkey dance, right? Right, yeah. You know the monkey dance? No, hold me tight. Alright. You got monkey dance. A monkey dance. A monkey dance. A monkey dance. Oh, hold it. A1, A2, A3,
Sure of what you are saying?
Auntie, I'm very sure. I know that girl. I know her very much, that I can even trace her.
Do you know their meeting points?
Sure, Auntie. I've been seeing them.
God. Will you be available tomorrow?
Yes.
All right. I want you to accompany me to see who this girl is. Will you accompany me?
Yes.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Auntie, I'm hungry. Let me run downstairs to get some food.
I will skin this girl alive. This thing of a girl is dead. Should I see her?
I knew it. I knew it all along. But no way. Also, is that my reward? Oh, you think you can fool around without me getting to know, right?
I am not hiding anything from you. I was waiting for the right time to let you in on it.
Let me in on what? Huh? That you were sleeping with a cheap whore? Is that what you want to let me in on?
As far as I'm concerned, I've known no whores. And this lady in question is a very respectable, responsible young lady. And I'm so much in love with her. And man, I should love to marry her.
Listen to yourself! Just listen to yourself! That you love her and you want to marry her. You think that will be possible once I'm alive? You think that will be possible once I'm alive? Oh, you think I will sit here and watch a village slot? A poor man? The sewage of Subin River
she hasn't sown? God forbid! God forbid! No way. Now tell me what you want. Yes. What do you think we're going? I need to know everything. Tell me. Tell me what you want to tell me. Why are you going? Talk to me. What do you have to say?
Madam. Please, I'm ready for the market, madam.
Who has called you here? Who called you here? Come on, get out of my sight! Go and put all those things there! Nonsense! Stop it now! Sumpri! What's good at the Baba? Nonsense! Now I'm listening.
Unfortunately, Eunice, you don't have any choice. You know me too well that I don't let go of anything that I really mean to have. There's no stopping me. Not even you. Sorry.
Bravo! Mr. Loverman! That no one can stop you. That you can't stop loving her. You will go ahead and marry her as long as I live. It'll be possible.
Oh, ma. How can I lie to you? That is her car.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, auntie.
Okay. I'll stand here and wait for her. This girl is in trouble today. She'll come and meet me here. Yes. When you see her, you come to me. So that I get her. Yes. Excuse me. Excuse me, young girl. Hold it for me. Hold it for me. Excuse me, young girl. I want to have a word with you. I guess you are that cheap, skinny, recalcitrant prostitute after my husband.
Excuse me, madam. You got wrong person. I don't know you. Who are you? And who is your husband?
If you care to know, Nana Kwesi Backman is my husband. My legitimate husband.
And I am the girlfriend and soon to be the second wife.
How dare you talk to me like that? Nonsense! How dare you tell me that in the face?
Madam, please, I suggest you talk to him. He's the one who came after me. So if you have anyone to blame, talk to your husband, not me.
I didn't come to exchange words with you. I just came here to warn you.
Excuse me, is that a threat or what?
Stay away from my husband.
No, but I guess you couldn't take care of him. That's why he came after me. Look at me.
You wretched pauper! Telling me that in my face? Telling me that in my face?
I don't have time for this nonsense. Please,
listen to me. The next time I see you with my husband, it will be a different drama altogether.
Are you threatening me?
Right?
So you are threatening me?
So who are you? Who are you? Nonsense! Sorry for yourself. If you want to live to see this Xmas, listen to me.
Madam.
If you want to live to see this Xmas, stay away from my husband. Read my lips. Just read my lips, okay?
You're on my way.
Nonsense.
You are on my way.
Stupid fool.
Don't mind her. Let's go.
Cheap prostitute. Skinny prostitute. A retired prostitute. Go and live for your husband. Let me see you again with him. You see what I will do to you. Shameless being. You call yourself a human being?
Auntie.
You are just a mistake of a human being.
Auntie, let's go.
Oh, shame! And show off!
Don't mind. Can you please take care of me?
If you like, come back. Believe me, you Nana, I will do it and do it again.
Oh no, you won't dare, Eunice. And let this be the first and last time I hear of you harassing an innocent girl for no good reason.
Innocent, my fault! Innocent girls are not prostitutes, and they don't go about snatching people's husbands.
So is that why you attacked her in the streets?
Nana, this is just the beginning. By the time I am through with her, she won't get to know my real name.
Eunice. You know what I'm capable of when I get upset. And the lady you call a slut is a woman I intend to marry. As I speak with you now, she holds the key to my heart. Now, let me tell you this. I won't have anybody, not even you, call her names or harass her. Please govern yourself to avoid embarrassment. Because the next time I hear of you attacking her, it's going to be real bad blood between us.
Oh, really? So be it. So be it! Now the battle line is drawn. You think I would sit down for her to snatch you away from me? No way! We shall see. Oh,
Hello? I'm about to get there. Okay. Just make sure the place is neat, right? Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.
Just put it on silent because I don't want it to disrupt our conversation, please. Or switch it off, either one. Come on.
Sorry, girlfriend. So, how is your old man?
Oh, God. My mom is doing good and my dad is okay.
Joanne, I'm not talking about your father. I'm talking about your sugar daddy. That man.
He's doing okay, you know, but just to be honest, I'm not happy with him at all.
That's it. So, I mean, what are you doing with him?
You know, I was with him just for one thing. But I'm trying to find, you know, a young man so I can have fun with, do anything I want with. Really? But with him, what can I do with him? Nowhere. We can't go anywhere together. If he's trying though. But I wish I could get rid of him, you know.
Really? I think you rock very, very well. I see you love him.
Please.
Your friend.
Please, let me keep that to myself. Let me keep that to myself, please. Oh. Besides, he got a wife, you know.
Oh, a wife?
Yes.
What are you still playing with him?
I told you before, you know, because of something, that's why I was with him. It's all about love.
Yeah, we are here. That's my place.
Oh.
Right here. You would love it when you get inside of it. Trust me.
Oh God! Baby, where have you been? Look at you! You're looking like a movie star!
Oh, come on,
hey! Baby, you're looking absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, come on! Look at how transformed you are!
Oh, come on, stop.
Hey! So where have you been?
It's a long story. What have you been doing with your life?
I'm in the system, baby.
You doing what?
After university, man is still struggling to find his feet.
You're looking good yourself.
Baby, you're looking absolutely beautiful.
Come on,
Look at you. Hey, Juliana, you're looking fabulous.
Thank you. So, where are you going?
Oh, where am I? I'm off to Vienna City. I mean, have a nice time.
Get in the car. You know, we go for a
ride. Baby, come on. Look at you.
Stop living. It went home.
Oh, come on. Hey, this is mine. It has always been mine. Look at you. Hey. Thank you very much.
Can we go inside?
Oh no, that's all right. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Where is Juliana?
I thought she was with you.
No, I don't know where she is. And I've been calling her phone, but it's switched off.
Oh, I forgot. She went to the village to see her grandmother.
I see. Then I should be on my way.
Okay, sir.
No, you take this for some.
Thank you very much, Nana. God will bless you.
That's all right.
And you reap where you sow.
That's all right.
God will surely bless you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Please ask her to call me immediately she comes.
I'll do that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank God, oh. This God will really bless you. What will I have to do with that? God, I thank my house.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, you live here by yourself?
Well, that's Mom up there. Dad is somewhere inside.
Hey, Mom. Afternoon, Mom. Julia. Come.
What is it?
Come.
Who is he? He's just a friend and his name is Oscar.
A friend?
Yeah.
Look, young man. I get to see guys like you around my daughter. Maybe she didn't tell you she's already married. Ma'am, and the husband is a very jealous man. So will you pack yourself out of this compound before the husband come and meet you here?
No problem.
Ma'am,
Julia,
you should not do that to embarrass me.
Come on. Take it easy, okay? I'll see you later. Come on, take it.
Ma'am! God, Ma'am, I don't like that, okay? Can you stop treating me like a king? Gosh!
That is right.
Juliana, what are you doing with the young man here?
She mean him? You know, we just came out for dinner. He's just a friend. And what are you doing here yourself?
Young man, get out. Get out of the car. Are you aware you are violating the rights of a married man?
Julia, what's going on here? I mean, I don't get it. What's going on?
The keys.
Come on, Nana.
Give me the keys. Joe. Do be polite to the gentleman. Give him something to remember us by.
Thank you very much.
Now you get in the car.
Hey, Julia, what's going on here?
Young man, this time you don't trespass on people's property. This time, stay away from people's property. You understand?